Good morning. Got my uniform on today. So we're doing this area over here with the porcelain. Did this area yesterday and down the side and stuff, as you've seen in the previous video. Oh, there's chickens here. Never heard of chicken before. So I'll just clear drains out. I know you're going to say about damp course and stuff like that, but put a sealant down there so no water goes in. Or water just runs down wall straight into the drain, off it goes. So that's all connected up to everything. Both outlets either side of the building. So yeah, that's it really. Just steady away today. Steady away. All cuts. Horrible. First 3 are cuts leading over to that airco channel, and then we'll go up into the corner, which is to the right hand side there, up to the astroturf. And then probably left hand side as you're looking at it with camera, whatever. From astroturf, work out, step down, and then go to gate. Bit of higgledy-piggledy stuff today. It's going to be warm, but we're in the shade till 2 o'clock, so it's an absolute bonus. Look at, I even need to go on holiday. Look at the bloody colour of me. So, yeah, sit back, grab a brew, and enjoy. Right, we finally washed it off. I'm in frigging sun now. Been enjoying it out at sun and being in shade. But here we are, down at this bit. I want to put you on a camera next, but I don't know because it's up here, looking down on me. I don't know what it's going to look like, but we'll see. We'll see. And if you're not on it, then you just know, don't you, that it's rubbish. But there you go. All washed down. Waiting for grassman now, really. Just got a bit of fencing to do up there tomorrow. But this is getting done today. Just gone fascias now. Putting fascias in here. And that's this fascia. Worked out 300 each, so it's not too bad. So we're not wasting flags.